What's up everyone, in this tutorial we'll be showing you how to use Kling AI. We'll be showing you the new video generator. So as you can see, we have our Kling AI and you're going to come over to the left sidebar where you have AI generation and you're going to click on video. And here you have image to video, text to video, and these are options. Then you also have the video generation. Now, if you're on a paid plan, you have better results from what you're doing. But for this tutorial, we'll be using the 1.0. But of course, you could go ahead and use 1.5, 1.6, and even the 2.0. So we're going to be using this, and we're going to paste in this prompt: a puppy reading a book. You could, of course, do some other negative prompting, camera movement. And then, of course, you could also work on the duration. Then you have the aspect ratio. And when you're done with everything with your preferences, you can click on generate. And now, as you can see, we now have our result from our text prompt. So this is how to use Kling AI video generator.